Hi YouTube. I added a new high quality pocket knife to the folding knife section on dmknifeshop.com. I only have one of these, but this is a beauty. It is a Browning. Very nice knife. Stainless steel bolster, G10 handle scales, post sandwich design, strong stainless steel pocket clip. It's not spring assisted, but it does have ambidextrous thumb studs. Model 412 if you're interested. It has the Browning logo. This is a beautiful high quality knife. It's nice and heavy. It weighs 3.8 ounces. The blade is 2.5 inches. It's 6.5 inches overall. Just right for an everyday carry quality pocket knife. Very nice knife. Brownings are often overlooked as pocket knives. I know this is the only one I have right now. And I'm offering it to you on dmknifeshop.com. Check it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.